we are on our way into Amarillo to the Walmart to see if we can get a battery installed, so I don't have to worry about it on the rest of the trip.
Are you trading or are these yours?
They're mine. We're traveling cross country and had a bad battery. Had a dead battery the last 2 mornings that we've gotten up, so
That's our
yeah, had that the last time. Good. Oh, Courage, it's okay, baby. It's okay. I know. Yep. Honey, it's all right. It's okay. Where are you?
Motley Rue, where are you? We're chasing every scenic view. Motley Rue, just me and you. Cruising in the van like we always do.
Well, hello, folks. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lisa. Motley Rue's behind me there on the floor. I don't think you can see her. I think she's snoozing. Daughter next to me and Courage back on the other side in the back, and our load of junk and things that keep falling. And yeah, it's just been a heck of a trip. And we're only, third day into left Arizona on Thursday after spending the night at a campground in New Mexico Thursday night. Woke up Friday morning and my battery was dead on the vehicle. I had to get the camp host to jump it for me, even though I have a little jumper box with a tire inflator thing. I was just so frazzled. I had about 3 hours sleep Thursday night. Wasn't feeling good. So just asked the camp host. He came over and jumped it and started right up. So we are currently on the I-40, about 30 minutes west of Amarillo. Spent last night at a Motel 6 in Tucumcari, New Mexico. They have red flag warnings out all through here. So the high winds, wildfires, threats of tornadoes, and baseball-sized hail on the route that we're planning on taking today. So that's just lovely. Anyway, I was, like I said, had maybe 3 hours of sleep Thursday night at the campground. Still dark when I woke up, so I just stayed up. I was not feeling well all day yesterday driving, besides being tired. But we drove the 5.5 hours, whatever it was, across New Mexico, and was going to stay at San Juan Village Park, which is a free community campground. Stayed there before, but the temperatures were over 90 degrees, and got into Tucumcari probably around 5 p.m. It was just still too warm. Tucumcari and San Juan, or San Juan, I believe is how it's said. We just got a cheap Motel 6. It was fine. Wasn't the nicest place, but it was clean enough. Didn't see any bugs or anything. Got up this morning, got the van loaded up, and had got the dogs in it. Let the turn the key, and it was dead again. So this time I did pull out my little handy-dandy charger tire inflator pack thing that my husband bought me for Christmas last Christmas, and good thing he did, because I really didn't feel like waiting around to call roadside assistance. I had to read the directions, make sure I was doing it right. I didn't want to mess anything up, and put that on there and came in and turned the key, and it started right up. But I think I have a bad battery. One more thing on the old van, I should probably about 2,500, 3,000 into it in the last couple months, getting work done on it, new tires and all that. But I know this is the same battery that I had last year when I was having all the issues with the van being broken down for a month. And I think back then, before I started having all that problem, they had told me that I had like a bad cell. I don't know if you watched any of my videos from last summer when I took the trip from Arizona to North Carolina, you'll see the parts about where my battery terminals were loose. It was throwing sparks under the hood that I didn't know about, making all my lights and everything surge and flicker and all that. And I had to get new post covers put on it. At some point, whatever worked, I had to have a new oil pan put in. It was leaking and all this stuff, so got it all done. Thought we were good to go, but I guess we need a new battery. So we are planning for this trip to be supposed to be like 7 nights, I think. 7 nights, 8 days. And had the whole thing mapped out to do the Route 66 from Tucumcari, really from Santa Rosa, New Mexico, up through St. Louis, Missouri. I was going to do that stretch of road, and now I'm like, because last night we had the TV on the weather station, and they're talking about tornadoes, May being the worst month for tornadoes and baseball-sized hail, all that through Oklahoma and up through Missouri and all storms and all. So now I'm debating on either whether to even go that route or to drop down a little north-south and head through Arkansas and Tennessee. So we just don't know. So at some point, I'm thinking maybe just get to my destination, which is West Virginia, and try to get there in one piece and get to see my son in his new house. Just doesn't seem like things are working out, too. All the planning that I did on this trip. I guess that's one of the things you have to know about van life. Everything's not always neat and pretty as some make it seem on YouTube, and you have to deal with the real life struggles of your battery being dead 2 mornings in a row, having to stop somewhere you don't know in the middle of town that I didn't really want to go through and get a battery installed. Hope that nothing else goes wrong along the trip. That's just the way things go. I might check in with you later, or it might be on the return trip that we decide to do the Route 66. We're into June, and maybe the storms and all won't be as bad. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I haven't been really active lately, but we are on a cross-country trip, so I'm sure I'll put up a few videos of whatever happens. Wherever we go and whatever we decide to do, I'll make that decision hopefully in the next hour. And we will be back, so thank you, and thanks to all my new subscribers. We are still trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, so if you happen to just catch this video randomly out of the blue, please hit the subscribe button. We do appreciate it. I'd like to hit that 1,000 mark and see where it goes from there. So thank you. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. This has been an interesting start to our trip here.
I can't do it because I'm laughing.
Oh, Lord. Okay. I'll wait till Daughter's done blowing your nose for your listening enjoyment.
ASMR.
There you go. There's your ASMR. Because you don't say Japalinos, you say jalapenos. So it's San Juan. It's a Mexican name. Unless you want to say Japalinos, you can. Stop.
Motley Rue, where are you? It's time to hit the road now. Motley Rue, so much to do. Let's see where it's
Courage is freaking out. He does not like sounds or new places. As you see, Rue is fine. He's a little spazzed right now, waiting on getting a battery installed in the van. Oh boy, so much fun.